Hello, beautiful people. How are you all doing? I hope you all good. It is your boy again, Godwin, the truck driver you really need to know. Like I told you before, this channel is all about touring. All my journey experiences, I will be telling you guys about them on this channel. Stay tuned while you subscribe and don't miss any part of my video, because all of them are important to a traveler, are important to foreigners, they are important to truck drivers who are hoping to work in some kind of company like Dangote, so you don't need to feel strange entering this kind of company. So I'm taking you guys on Dangote power plant, the biggest power plant in Nigeria. I'm telling you, Dangote is a great guy, and someone asked me the other day, because he knows that Nigeria doesn't have a standard power that can power refinery. So I'm going to show a part of this video where Dangote has a power plant that is up to 435 megawatts that is going to run concurrently for complete 247. And guess the most important news? The most important news is there are some states that are going to benefit from this power plant. States like Lagos State, Ogun State, Ibadan. There are people who are going to benefit from this, because this particular power plant is big enough to run all the states, all these 3 states. So you all know that Nigeria has above 12,000 megawatts. But I tell you, megawatt power plant, but I tell you, the power they give daily is not up to 4,000 megawatts. But Dangote is giving us assurance that he is not talking about thousands of megawatts here. He's only talking about 435, but he is going to give this 435 daily. He is going to make sure that this 435 megawatt runs daily, non-stop. Isn't that big enough? It is big enough. So I'm going to show you this power plant. This power plant has 12 phases. It has 12 phases. So I'm going to take you from the front view to back view. So stay tuned while I make sure you get all the whole video. And just like this channel is all about touring. Next time I might be taking you to Dangote Quarry. In my next video, I might be taking you to Dangote Sugar, Dangote or Salt, Dangote Cement. This particular man has a lot to give to Nigeria, to Africa, to the world. So he's a good guy. Stay tuned while you don't miss any. While you do it, I beg of you to subscribe. Give me like, so your boy can still be here giving you all you needed. As a truck driver, you really need to follow this channel. As a traveler, as a foreigner, you need my channel. So stay tuned while I give you this crazy stuff. Let's go. Yeah, this is the front view. Stay with me while I make sure you don't mix any of these phases. Each of these tall cylinder shows one phase. That is, each phase has one cylinder. Okay, that passage leads to the control room, and all those cylinder you see, all those standing cylinder, can you see that tall cylinder there? The phases. The signboard you just saw now just shows we and the power plant road. The power plant street. These are the phases. Alright, stay with me. Okay, this is the adjacent. I'm going to take you from the back view. This is the back view. Can you see the back view? It's not similar to the front view. It's a bit different, but I really want to give you this back view. So So maybe it is something you have seen, you can confirm, right? This cable's line lead to the control room, and this is the control room. One day I'm going to show you the inside of this room, inside of this power plant control room. These are the control rooms, right? The power plant is very, very big. It's very big. These are the power plants, and these are the power plants. It's very big. Okay, this is the adjacent again. I'm just showing you the adjacent, showing you this view from the adjacent. Alright. It is not easy, but I will make sure I give you something to watch. Alright. It is the same power plant, but I have to show you the views in different angles. Yeah, this is another angle, right? Another angle. Dangote is a big guy. Okay, he's a big guy. I'm showing you the power plant from far. Can you see the cylinder? Can you see the cylinder? The burning cylinder. If I could show you the top of this cylinder, it brings out flame from up. And that is what we really call combustion. Combustion happens inside that cylinder. And when combustion happens, it brings power. According to my physics. Yeah, I'm a science student too, but not a good one. But I remember when combustion happens, energy comes out, whether mechanical energy, electrical energy, and so on. All these are the power plants. It is really a big one. You have to take this with me. I'm videoing from my truck. You can see my truck, so you might be seeing some of the thing covering and not showing properly. So you have. All right, guys, this is all I have for you today on this video. Bye bye. Stay tuned.